Hello there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to install NameIt NumberIt Batchit onto CorelDRAW X6. My name is Michael. I'm one of the support specialists here at LaserJumpStart, and I'll be helping you guys out today. As always, I'm going to be going over the important points with my presentation, but I will be going pretty quickly, so feel free to pause the video, let your system catch up, and so we can try and be on the same page at the same time. But without further ado, let us begin. After purchasing our software, you will be sent an email. So let's go into our email. It will be from MailBigFile. In my presentation, I am using this link. My link is for the Boxit suite for 2017. The only difference between mine and yours will be that yours will be the NumberIt NameIt Batchit. So the names will be different, but the steps and procedures will be exactly the same. I will still be installing the NameIt onto ours. Go ahead and open up these two links. It will bring you to these two files here. The NameIt suite is about 80 megs, so it will be a fairly fast download, maybe about 2 or 3 minutes depending on your speed. While that's downloading, I highly encourage that you download this Getting Started guide that comes with each one of our programs. It will help you out and give you some general information right off the bat. So let's download, and then we are going to show it in folder. So these two things have been downloaded. The download will come in as a zipped file, so it is compressed. In order to use it, we do need to extract it. Windows 10 makes that easy. Right click on it, and then down here, extract all, we will be extracting it. And I will be extracting it to a location I already made for this specifically, NameIt NumberIt, and select on the folder. So we want to extract these files into that folder. However, we will just click on the extract. However, I already did that, so I'm going to cancel. Instead, you guys are going to extract desktop, and then I'm going into that exact folder, NameIt NumberIt. And this is what it will look like for you guys. Important file being the install.cdr. We won't run it quite yet because we need to make sure that X6 is ready. So open up X6, go into Tools, Options, and then under Workspace, in VBA, make sure Delay Load VBA is not selected. Saves us headaches down the road. Okay, we're ready now. So let's run install.cdr. So we will have a few pop-ups here in CorelDRAW. We do want to enable macros because our program is a macro. And yes, we do want to install it. And that's it. It's been installed. Your software has been installed. This is the suite. So in order for it to run properly, we do need to restart CorelDRAW. So that's exiting out and just restarting it. But with that said, we have installed NameIt NumberIt Batchit onto CorelDRAW in X6. Thank you for watching our video. I hope that it helped you out on your way. For more information on our products, check out our YouTube channel for more videos, or head to our website at LaserJumpStart.com. You can give us a call. Our office hours are from 9 to 5:30 Monday through Friday, and our phone number is listed here on this screen. Anyway, have a great day, guys.